Titan as a company, we believe in being wherever the consumer is present. So that's one of the reasons why digital is now becoming a very important medium for us, because digital is not only a medium to purchase. We're seeing digital today is actually become, I would say, the most important medium for a consumer to experience the product. So today, whatever you buy, whatever you look for information, I think Google is something which is your source of for all of that. And for our brands especially, I think the experience on digital today is of extreme importance to us. And e-commerce, yes, the fact that we give the customer an opportunity to buy online besides shopping from our stores as well. So I think the most obvious one is in terms of to reach markets where we do not have store presence. Today we ship to perhaps, I would say, almost the entire country, and especially we ship overseas. We ship jewelry to markets like the US, UK, the Far East, in Australia, where we do not have a store presence. But there are plenty of people who want to buy our products are present there. Apart from that, I think the whole piece, as we see the retail environment maturing to e-commerce, is the online-offline integration. So I think that will be the biggest strength we can leverage from both these channels. So rural, I would say for our category, we've so far seen limited play, because for most of the brands, we see more of the consumer this is digitally coming from tier 1, tier 2, I would say the top 10, 15 cities as far as e-commerce is concerned. But at the same time, I think we get a lot of orders even from, I would say, upcountry locations in Tamil Nadu, even in Haryana for that matter, which today, thanks to e-commerce, we are able to fulfill those orders even despite not having a store in those locations.